What's up, guys? Back out here at the neighborhood pond yet again, just to see if we can get on a bite. Wanted to film a little bit. I'm currently throwing the Terminator shutter bait once again with a Saucy Swimmer paddle tail, kind of in a brown crawl colorway, so you guys can see that whenever I start casting. But I'm gonna hook this up to the chest rig and we are gonna get started, see if we can get on a little bite. All right, see you out there. All right, guys, I also have the 13 Fishing Trash Panda in the black and bruised color. It's kind of Carolina blue, and I'm a Carolina fan, so only natural that I bought it. But they may not be on top water. It's been a weird week out here in Virginia. Had some really cold weather earlier in the week, so kind of weird. Oh my gosh, something blew up on top water right there, just in front of us. So we will cast right there. Oh my goodness. Oh, it feels like a good one. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Feels like a solid fish. Oh, man. Really good fish on the 13 Fishing Trash Panda. Oh, man. Really, really good fish. Oh, yes. Wow. That's a really good fish. Hooked him in the bottom of the lip. So I would prefer not to get a hook in the hand. I just can't see the hook. I don't know where it is. There we go. Woo! Man, that's a beast. That is a tank. He'd probably go 3 pounds or so. Man, hooked him really good too. Whew, look at that right there, guys. Got him on the 13 Fishing Trash Panda. Another really good fish on a frog. Man, there he is. Really good fish. All right, let's let him go. All right, guys, back out in the neighborhood pond again. Yesterday, I only caught the one fish, so I want to try to catch another one to put on camera. You'll see today I've got the Thunder Cricket with a little Hog Walla trailer on there. This is in the bluegill colorway, like bluegill magic or something like that. So we will see if we can get on one. I also have the Trash Panda again. It is a lot warmer today, so we will see if they are frog biting. I hope they are, but let's get on them. Well, you guys wanted to see more catches, and I caught the biggest one I've caught all day. Caught that big old stick fish, a 3-pounder. Oh, yes. Oh, you gotta be joking. Oh, gosh, man. That is so annoying. Well, guys, I caught another one, and the camera wasn't on. I am so depressed. It was about a 2-pounder. He was gorgeous. And, man, I did not have the camera on. I am so sad that I did not have that camera on. Oh, smaller fish, but I think I got him on the froggy. Let him eat it pretty good. Oh, he choked it. Oh, man, he choked that frog. Oh, smaller fish, but that's okay. We will take any fish on a frog. Let me get him up on the bank here. You take, oh, man, he choked it. And there he is. Man, look at that. 13 fish and trash panda straight down the mouth. That's the one part about fishing that I don't like, is if you ever catch them too good, man, that fish, he might live. He'll have a hard time recovering from that, but he might live. But I cut him open pretty good. He had the hook way down in his mouth. All right, guys, back out here. Today I have a Whopper Plopper tied on. This is not normally the setup I would throw a Whopper Plopper on. But this is what I had in the car, and this pond does really well normally with top water. So I figured I would throw the Whopper Plopper on here and see if we could get something to bite it. Definitely came up and played with it. Oh man, that was a huge topwater blow up. Oh my goodness, he came up out of the water for it. Oh my gosh, that was awesome. Oh my goodness. Oh, a nice bass too. Oh man, what a topwater blow up that was. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, it's a beast. It is a beast. This is in the 5-pound range. Oh my goodness, or bigger. Oh, he's huge. I am freaking out. Oh my goodness, he's massive. Oh, and I brought the scale today. My goodness. Oh my goodness. Guys, look at that beast. And I brought the scale. Oh my gracious. I can't believe it. He is huge. .39, 6.30. on the scale. I don't know if you guys can see the scale. It's so bright out here. There we go. 6.39. Oh my goodness, he's huge. I'm gonna have to cut the camera off for just a minute so that I can take some pictures of him. All right, guys, finished up fishing over at the neighborhood pond, wrapping up the video, and I'll tell you, I was kind of on a low during the second portion of the video where I think I probably killed that fish. He had that hook from that 13 fishing trash panda frog like all the way down in his gut, and I don't even know if he would be able to live after having to get that hook out. So I was kind of on a low, and I went back out there today just to throw around some, throw some top water. It was like 90 degrees today in southeastern Virginia. So I was like, I'm going to throw some, hopefully catch something. And threw the Whopper Plopper, and daggone it, caught that almost 6.5 pounder. And man, that just makes it a lot better. Just a gorgeous fish. It's tons of fun to catch. And didn't even realize it was that big. When I caught it, I was like, man, this is a pretty decent fish. And then gets up close to the dock, and then you're like, oh my goodness, it's a monster. So yeah, just super excited about it all. So anyway, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the video, and peace out. We'll see you soon.